Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. You have just tuned into Simply Brit X3. I am Brittany, and today y'all we have a cleaning video. So not sure why my hand is not stable on this video and things seem to be all over the place in this footage here. But I was actually trying to show you guys the before of our fridge, and yeah, we're going to be cleaning the fridge in this video, guys. It has been a minute or some time since I did a deep clean of our fridge and saw some very suspicious things during this whole process. Hey, happy Saturday to everyone. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. And y'all, I do want to say that throughout this video, I am in a very intense conversation. At least it seems to be very intense, but I promise it's not. I promise. Another thing I would like to say is that this took me about a good 2 to 3 weeks to complete fully, y'all. I started, I stopped, I started, I stopped. Tell me if you guys are like that. Like, sometimes it takes me time to complete one task fully, but we got it done, y'all. We did. We got it done. So I said that to say you may see several outfits during this video, but don't worry, it's all because it took me about a couple weeks to get the fridge how we want it, but or how I would like it. But we started and then we stopped, and then we had to go back to clean what we cleaned before because that had got dirty. So just know that it took me a good week or two, but we did finally get it done. Okay, we did.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo, you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt, though. I'm a me happy adult, though. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl, it's out, though. I'm a mind that's you can talk, oh. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love, oh. I know holy, and I know that devil. Like the Baba fry, oh. My eye, oh. Don't cry, oh. I need people and shadow. 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 I did what I got when then kill Soboma. I did try to buy moto, one Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make you have been all over. My feelings today swing like Django Lover. Feelings today swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you when if I do anything you want me to do? Maybe another time, maybe another life. You will be my wife and we'll get it right. Don't last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Have to say bye-bye, yo. Bye-bye, yo. To the love of my life. My eye, yo. Don't cry, yo. I need people and shadow. 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 Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a deep, a deep, bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make it. Kilo fe, omote, chokade, fine, oh, bagate, watch your love for like it, why not more, your body, chokade, push it. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FEP, God forbid. Heard you got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush.
It's cool, man. Got red bottles on. Life is good.